All right, I've lost my voice, but I'm still going to take you to school because you have absolutely no idea what you're talking about. Now, before you post just bullshit on social media, when you have absolutely no basis for the information that supports that bullshit, actually go and do some proper research. I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process for calculating how to get a zero tax outcome on the sale of a small business. So let me run you through it. Okay, so I'm going to run you through a scenario for a client of mine who was trading through a discretionary trust for a hospitality business that was sold for $4 million of their assessable capital gain minus their cost base. Now, because it is running through a discretionary trust, they have the ability to apply the capital gains discount because they ran the business for more than 12 months. We have a $4 million capital gain. We've got a discount of $2 million, which means we have a residual capital gain, which means that if they were to stop here, they would have $940,000 in tax. But this is where the CGT concessions kick in. So we have a $4 million gain. They didn't run the business for 15 years. They only run it for 5. We are able to apply a discount of $2 million because they got the 50% discount. However, there is the small business 50% further discount, which means that we have an additional reduction of $1 million. Now, these particular clients were over the age of 55, so we had the ability to use the small business retirement exemption. And there were 2 individuals who owned the business, which allowed us to contribute an additional $500,000 per individual to superannuation for a total of $1 million. They didn't need to roll over any additional under the small business rollover concessions, which meant that they had a residual capital gain of 0, meaning they had a 0 income tax payable. This means that as a result of these concessions, they saved $940,000 in tax. This is the reason why you don't speculate on things when you have no expertise, qualifications, or experience around this. By making stupid comments like this on TikTok when you have absolutely no idea what you're talking about, you could potentially talk yourself out of $940,000 of tax savings. Now, this particular client, we charged them a fee of about $25,000 for this advice, and they've been a long-term client for many, many years. They've actually paid us hundreds of thousands of dollars in fees because not only have we been able to provide them advice, this particular piece of advice that saved them almost $1 million, we've also been able to help them acquire a portfolio of properties. They've now got 7 properties. They've been able to build over $5 million in net investment assets as a result of our advice. And that's just scraping the tip of the iceberg of the work that we've been able to help these particular clients with. So I may not have a voice right now, but I know what I'm talking about. And my clients are able to benefit in the vicinity of multiple 7 figures as a result of the role that I play as an expert advisor. So hope that puts you in your place and shut your mouth.